how to change home address on Google Maps. Today I'm going to show you how to update your home address in Google Maps. If you need to switch your current home location to a brand new one, I'll walk you through the steps. Before we begin, please smash that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks everyone. Let's start completely fresh. Go ahead and open the Google Maps on your iPhone or Android device. The process is identical for both. Next, look up at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from here, once that menu pops up, you're going to scroll down and then select settings right here. Now you're going to just click on settings, and inside the settings menu, just scroll until you find the account settings section. From the account settings section, right there, you will spot an option that says edit home or work. Go ahead and tap that. Now from here, at the very top of the screen, you will see your current home address. To modify it, just press the three little dots right next to it, or you can simply click on it and then choose Edit Home. From this screen, you're just going to clear out the old address if you have one. For example, I'll just type in White House, and then I'm going to select it among the options. Basically, this makes the White House my new home location. Now, if I back out the main map, I can simply tap home. Now, if I back out the main map, I can simply tap on this icon right here and then tap on home. Now, this creates a shortcut and it will give me directions from where I am straight to my house. Just a quick reminder, your home label is completely private, so nobody else can see what you set it as. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, be sure to hit that like button below.